How to fix due to repeated failed attempts or other unusual activity, your access to Snapchat is temporarily disabled. Hello guys, this is Sarah from Create Login and Delete. Let's get started. First thing you need to do is make sure your internet connection is working properly. Next thing you want to do is disconnect VPN. So open your phone settings, click on Connection and Sharing, and then click on VPN. So make sure that this is turned off. Next thing you want to do is clear cache. So open your settings, scroll down to Apps, click on Manage Apps, and then search for Snapchat. Once you open Snapchat, click on Clear Data at the bottom, and then click on Clear Cache. If this doesn't work, go ahead and uninstall the app. You'll see the Uninstall button at the bottom. Click on Uninstall, and then reinstall it through Play Store. You can also update the app through Play Store as well. If none of these works, then go to Snapchat Support by opening any browser and typing Snapchat Support. Click on the official website of Snapchat Support, and then click on My account is compromised. So scroll down and you'll be able to submit a report. Enter your username, enter your email, your mobile number, and then type in a description about how your access to Snapchat is disabled. You can add as many details as you want, and then click on Submit at the bottom. So this is how to fix due to repeated failed attempts or other unusual activity, your access to Snapchat is temporarily disabled. Thanks for watching till the end, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.